Mr. Chairman, Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, let me first express my sincere appreciation for all the efforts and dedication of Cambodia and Prime Minister Hun Sen in organizing and preparing ASEM 13. Unfortunately, we are not meeting in person, yet this does not in any way undermine the importance of this summit. We, the members of the European Union, value highly this forum, a meeting point of Europe and Asia. We are very much aware of the Asia's and Europe's economic potential. And our cooperation can therefore bring only good results for both. Europe and Asia can benefit much more from cooperation than from confrontation. As a matter of fact, given the nature of global problems such as the COVID-19 pandemic, climate change, migration, and violent extremism, it is our duty to seek solutions through dialogue. This said, I would also like to underline that the principle of solidarity is an important element of EU's modus operandi. Since the creation of the Asia-Europe meeting, the underpinning logic of interconnected world and future has become even more pervasive than 25 years ago. As the COVID pandemic has shown, ASEM partners need to find ways of addressing all these global challenges. A better cooperation and effective response to crises such as health emergencies require cooperation and also mutual coordination. To fully overcome the pandemic, we need to strengthen solidarity and resilience of our societies. The European Union is fully aware of this and is therefore the biggest per capita vaccine donor in the world. The coronavirus pandemic has drastically accelerated digitalization. Universal access to broadband and digital applications has become crucial for economic recovery and the long-term development. In this regard, Slovenia has something to offer. Namely, we are proud to be hosting the International Research Center on Artificial Intelligence under the auspices of UNESCO. Moreover, our researchers and policymakers are focused on developing a framework of ethical use of artificial intelligence in accordance of democratic values and respect for human rights. To conclude, in his recent report on our common agenda, the UN Secretary General called for a stronger, more effective, more networked and inclusive multilateral system. And I'm really glad that ASEM 13 has recognized the significance of this affair. I wish you a fruitful discussion during today and tomorrow's meetings, and thank you for your attention.